Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to rotate or flip a video on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and also write comments after watching. And let's get to our interesting topic, friends. Please open the gallery on your iPhone for this. And now find the video that you would like to modify in some way. Next, you will need to tap on it to open it. And now friends, if you want to edit it, at the bottom in the middle, click on this sign here. Now friends, in order to rotate or flip the video at the bottom, select this last sign. Now, in order to make a video, for example, if you want to rotate it, you would have to click at the top of the video on this sign here, which is the rotation arrow. And as you can see, this way the video is rotated in the direction you want it to go. If you want, on the contrary, to mirror the image on the video, then click the neighboring sign, and as you can see, the video is mirrored in this way. And in order to, let's say, save the changes you made, you just need to click on the Done button at the top. After that, the video will be immediately edited on your iPhone in the gallery. Friends, here is such a very simple and quick method you can easily rotate or flip the video on your iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be sure to like and comment. Bye-bye.